सर्वेभ्यः हार्दं स्वागतं दशम्यां कक्षायाम्। अद्य वयं दशम्याः कक्षायाः व्यायामः सर्वदा पथ्यः इति पाठं पठामः। पूर्वासु कक्षासु अस्माभिः व्यायामः नाम किं, व्यायामस्य प्रयोजनानि कानि, व्यायामः कदा कर्तव्यः, कथं कर्तव्यः इति ज्ञातम्। बलस्यार्धेन व्यायामं कुर्यात् इति पूर्वस्यां कक्षायाम् अस्माभिः ज्ञातं। तदग्रे अन्तिमश्लोकद्वयम्, एतस्तः अन्तिमश्लोके एतद्वयम् अद्य वयं पठामः। यथा हृदि स्थानस्थितो वायुः, हृदि स्थानस्थितो वायुः यदा वक्त्रं प्रपद्यते, यदा वक्त्रं प्रपद्यते व्यायामं कुर्वतो जन्तोः तत् बलार्धस्य लक्षणं, तत् बलार्धस्य लक्षणं। हृदि स्थानस्थितो वायुः यदा वक्त्रं प्रपद्यते व्यायामं कुर्वतो जन्तोः तत् बलार्धस्य लक्षणं। शब्दच्छेदं कुर्मः। हृदि स्थान स्थितः वायुः यदा वक्त्रं प्रपद्यते व्यायामं कुर्वतः जन्तोः, जन्तोः तत् बल अर्धस्य लक्षणं। बलार्धेन व्यायामं कुर्यात्। In the previous class we came to know that you should do the exercise with your half strength, not full strength. You should not get exhausted. That's what we have learnt in the previous class. Don't get exhausted. That means always give half. That is enough. That will improve your endurance. That's what resistance power, how to improve, we have learnt in the previous class. What is half strength? What is your half strength? That is balardham. Balardham nama kim? What is the half of the strength? That is very well explained in this shloka. हृदि स्थानस्थितो वायुः। वयं जानीमः पंचवायवः सन्ति. All of you see that air is there. प्राणः नाम air. प्राणः पंच प्राणाः सन्ति. प्राणशब्दः नित्यं बहुवचनान्तः संस्कृते. प्राणाः पंच प्राणाः सन्ति. 5 airs. Where are the 5 airs? व्यानोदान समानादीनि व्यान, उच्छ्वासः, निश्वासः, उच्छ्वासः, inhale, exhale, and one more air is there in the stomach, pachanam karoti, and samanah sarva shariragaha, the air is there everywhere in the body, so it helps for the blood circulation. Like this, hृदि स्थितो प्राणः, the air which is there in the heart. हृदि स्थान स्थितो वायुः, the air which is there in the lungs or in the heart. वायुः यदा वक्त्रं प्रपद्यते, वक्त्रं, वक्त्रं नाम मुखम, the air which is there in the heart. If you run more, if you exhaust more, it comes to the mouth. That is called vaktram prapadyate. When it comes to the mouth, until then you should do. Understood? Vyayamam kurvato jantoho. One who is doing the exercises that breath should come to the mouth. Tat balardasya lakshanam. That is the symptom. Lakshanam means symptom. That is the symptom of your half strength. Many people will think that when I am getting, mouth is getting the air, my strength is gone. No, that is your half strength. So until you get such tiresome, until then you should do the exercise. Simply doing my 120 over cycle, no. You should do until you get it. Understand? That is your half. Balardena vyayamam kuryat. Every day if you put edusiru, we call no in Kannada. That means taking the long breath. You cannot breathe from the mouth because you are exhausted so much. That means then that is called you have utilized half of your strength. So until then vyayamam kuryat. Until your breath comes to the mouth. That is the, what is that? That is called jantoho tat balardhasya lakshanam. It shows that you are half strength only over. Still you have half strength left with you. Understood? So, hrudisthana stito vayuhu, the air which is there in the heart, yada vaktram prapadyate, yada mukhe agacchati, the air comes, you have to take the breath from the mouth. That. Vyayamam kurvato jantoho, the man, one who is doing the exercise, tat, when it is coming to the mouth, balardasya lakshanam, that is told that your half of the strength you have used. Clear? Until then you have to do the exercise. We will see the grammar points here. Hrudisthanam, hrut, manaha, swantam, hrut swantam manaha, chittantu cheto hridayam swantam hrinmanasam manaha. Chittam, chetaha, swantaha, manaha ityadini paryayapadani bhavanti. Vayuhu, pavanaha, samiraha, pavanaha, samiraha bhavati. Yada iti avyyapadam, yada tada. Vaktram, शब्दार्थेषु प्रायः आगमिष्यति. वक्त्रं, वक्त्रं नाम मुखं. प्रपद्यते, प्राप्नोति इत्यर्थः. व्यायामं कुर्वतः, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कृ अधिकं शत्रु प्रत्ययः, कृ अधिकं शत्रु प्रत्ययः. जन्तोः तत्, जन्तोस्तत्, स अत्र विसर्ग संधिः. जन्तोः तत्, जन्तोस्तत्. पुनः तत् बलार्धस्य, तत् तकारस्य स्थाने, वर्गस्य प्रथमवर्णस्य स्थाने तृतीयवर्णस्य आगमः. तद् बलार्धस्य. अत्र पुनः सवर्णदीर्घसन्धिः. बल अर्धस्य बलार्धस्य लक्षणं भवति इति ज्ञातम् अस्माभिः. अवगतम्? इदानीम् अन्तिमं श्लोकं पठामः. वयोबल शरीराणि देशकालाशनानि च, वयोबल शरीराणि देशकालाशनानि च समीक्ष्य कुर्यात् व्यायामम् अन्यथा रोगमाप्नुयात्. समीक्ष्य कुर्यात् व्यायामम् अन्यथा रोगमाप्नुयात्. Always there are two faces of the coin. The same thing which helps us may curse us also. Sometimes it will give negative results also. Anyatha rogamapnuyat. First of all, we learnt that by exercises the diseases will not come, just like as the snake won't come to the eagle, like the diseases won't come to the person who is doing the exercise. But in this shloka he is telling by exercise only you may get the diseases. How it is? See, why you will get Vayobala Sharirani. Some exercises are meant for the age, Vayaha, age. What elders are doing in our school, many of you in full josh think that, oh, gym is there, we will go and gym. If a 6th class fellow goes for the weightlifting, what will happen? He may get his bones broken. Is it? Bones are not strong enough. According to the age you should do. What you should do in the young age and what you should do in the youth, what you should do. Milkha Singh was running so fast. Now if you ask the Milkha Singh to run, बुढ़ापे में गिर जाता है. Is it? Sachin Tendulkar was facing 145 kilometer speed balls. Now, that means according to the age, you should do the exercises. Exercises are different by the age. So, you should do under a very good trainer. So, you should know what is good for your age. According to your age, you should do the exercise. Then, age is okay. All are of the same age. But everybody's strength is not same. Everybody's strength is not same. So, if somebody is tall in the class, same age, but tall boys will play the basketball. Is it? The short fellows can play the football very well. Whereas, putting up is easy for the tall boys, whereas bending down is very difficult for them. Whereas short fellows can bend and go. Is it? So like that, one who is very hefty, he may be put for the throws. One who is tall, good for the high jump. These are all the things. Balam. Everybody's strength is different. So, you cannot ask the Bruce Lee to become a weightlifter. Is it? So, like that, according to your strength, you should know what is your age and what is your strength. At the same time, Sharirani. Our body looks same, but the body nature will be very different. Is it? We think that one who is hefty, he is strong. Very wrong. You see, one who is tall is very strong. You take a tall fellow and make him to climb the mountain. Whereas Pahadi log you might have seen, very short, but they will do the work very quickly. So, according to the body, you should do the exercises. According to your own strength, you should do the exercise. According to your own age, you should do the exercise. At the same time, Desha, place is also very, very important. Place, you can make that in Bijapur I will run 10 kilometers very easily. You say that I am in Sainik school, I can run for 10 kilometers. Do you think that you can run this same 10 kilometers in Nainital? No, very difficult. Mountain, hilly area. So, what you do in Bijapur, you may not be able to do it in hilly area. So, that's why you might have seen that whenever our Indian cricket team goes to the England, what do? They will be in the sleep. What they are doing? Very cold. Our situation, our desha is very hot. No need of warm. If you don't do warm up also, your body is warm. Whereas in England, if you do all the warm up, still every second you should make it. Otherwise, when they catch, there will be burnings and cracks. So that's why you should keep the hands active. You might have seen cricketers doing. And whereas they will be boundary line always moving. is it? Desha, according to the place, according to the place, at the same time, according to the time. In the same place, what you can do in the summer, you may not do in the winter because the time. Is it? Getting up at 4:30 is very easy in the summer. In the winter, 4:30 means it looks like a midnight. So, according to the time also you should do. And Ashanani, this is very, very important. Ashanam, India is known for different varieties of food. Ashanam nama bhojanam. Different variety of food. According to your food, also very important. That's why we will not do the exercise according to the food. According to the exercise, you take the food. Modern diet system is that. Whatever your aim, you have to become a weightlifter, you have a different diet. Food is different. Ashanani, what the food you take is also important. You make very hard work, but don't take proper food. That's why you have to take proper milk, proteins should be there, these are all there. Ashanani, according to the food you should do. Samiksha, everything should be calculated. What should be calculated? Your age, your strength and your body and the place where do you do and the time when do you do and your food habits. Samiksha, etat sarvam samiksha vyayamam kuryat. Looking at all these things, you should do your exercises. Anyatha, without counting all these things, blindly, if you do, rogamapnuyat, you will get the diseases. So, according to this, in a scientific way, you have to do the exercises. If you do it unscientifically, what will happen? You will get the diseases. Is it clear? So, that's why when you are doing the diseases, means doing the exercises, find out that am I doing according to my age, am I doing according to my strength, am I doing which suits for my body, am I doing which is good for this place, am I doing which is good for this time, season, and am I good for what I am eating. So, looking at all these things, you should do the exercises, then scientifically when you do, you will be the fit and very flexible. Understood? Otherwise, blindly, unscientifically if you do, the same exercises will cause the diseases or the troubles for your body and the mind. Is it clear? Punah pashyamaha vayaha bala sharirani desha kala ashanani savarna dirgha sandhi. Samiksha, sam adhikam, iksh adhikam, lep pratyah, kuryat, vyayamam anyata, samyogaha. Rogam apnuyat, पुनरेकवारं पठामः. हृदि स्थानस्थितो वायुः यदा वक्त्रं प्रपद्यते व्यायामं कुर्वतो जन्तोः तत् बलार्धस्य लक्षणम्. वयोबलशरीराणि देशकालाशनानि च समीक्ष्य कुर्यात् व्यायामम् अन्यथा रोगमाप्नुयात् इति अस्ति. एवं भवति. एवं व्यायामः सर्वदा पथ्यः. सर्वे सम्यक् व्यायामं कुर्वन्तु, निरोगाः तिष्ठन्तु, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. आमयः नाम रोगः, निरामयः नाम रोगस्य अभावः. स्वस्थाः जीवन्तु, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, सर्वे मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्, दुःखभाग् भवेत्. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् इति कामयन्तः सर्वेषां सौख्यं कामयामः, सर्वेभ्यः आरोग्यं कामयामः।